Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work with white cement and jesmonite terrazzo chips. I just want to try and see if the jesmonite terrazzo chips works well with cement. And here I'm just going to mix my cement. This is my black pigment for cement. And I'm adding water to the powder. There is no measurement for cement. You just have to check the consistency and see how it goes. The consistency should be just like jesmonites. I'm going to add my black pigment. These pigments are specially made for cement. And I wanted a jet black effect, but anyway, I'm adding the jesmonite chips. And some more. I was really not sure about putting jesmonite and cement together, but I really wanted to try it. So let's see how it goes. And I'm going to pour the mixture inside the silicone mold. I'm going to tap it now. To get rid of the air bubbles. And I have a lot of mixture left, so I'm adding more of it in this vase silicone mold. I got these molds from AliExpress, and I tried to this is actually the second or third time I'm working with cement, so I did not know that it does give us quite a lot of time to work with it. It does not dry fast, so you can work with it, unlike jesmonite cures really fast. So I was trying to work really fast with cement, thinking it was jesmonite. So I mixed more cement and I thought of adding another color to it. I think I'm going to add yellow color for cement. But first I wanted to try using other colors too. So I tried adding the jesmonite pigment inside cement by Mrs. Collarberry, and it did not work at all. So then I tried some mica powder. However, that also did not work, and when I added the jesmonite pigment inside the cement, it had such a disgusting smell. It reacted so badly. So I just decided to add the cement pigment, and then I added the terrazzo chips, the jesmonite terrazzo chips with the cement, and just going to fill my mold. never try mixing jesmonite pigments with cement because it gives a really, really bad smell. I'm demolding my molds. It's been 24 hours. You have to let this dry 24 hours before demolding it. So as you can see, you cannot see the colors of the terrazzo chips, so I'm just going to sand these two. This is a mold made by me. You can order this on my Insta page. Now this is the most difficult part. I have taken 320 grit first, 150 grit, 320 grit and 600 grit sandpaper. These are all waterproof. And now I am going to start sanding it, and this took me good 2 hours to sand just 2 of these casts. It took me 2 hours, and after this coaster was complete, I just couldn't do it anymore, and then I had to call it a night. And then the next day I had to start sanding it again. After this process, my hands felt so sore. So don't forget to wear your gloves while sanding, because your hands will get really tired. I don't know, maybe it's because of the jesmonite chips that I added in the cement. That's why it took me so long, or it just is that way. Next time I'm going to try adding the cement chips in the cement, and then we'll see how the sanding goes. So I have taken this pen, marker, and I'm rolling the sandpaper on it so that I can sand the insides of the vase cast. And this was a bit easier to do. This way it was easier. However, this took me a lot of time, and here are the results. As you can see, there are a lot of holes because of the bubbles trapped inside, but I like this effect, and stay tuned for part 2 of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.